Welcome to Crypto Today. I'm Clara. Yesterday, there was a news about Tether's USDT stablecoin that is only about 74% backed by fiat equivalents. Today, we'll look at a story from OSL brokers in Hong Kong after checking out today's news. A former senior executive at retail broker Ex-Saxo Bank is making the move into cryptocurrency. Senator Laug published a post saying that he's moving to crypto to cash, a firm that trades fiat money for digital assets, and taking up a new role as head of Asia Pacific. Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency, has so far this year been outperforming the market's benchmark index, the S&P 500, as well as commodities like gold and oil so far this year. Bitcoin is up by over 45% so far this year, while the S&P 500 saw its value rise by nearly 7%. The Nasdaq, an index that tracks the stock prices of giants like Amazon, Facebook, and Google, is up 21.3%. Researchers have re-engineered a blockchain used around the world in a variety of industries and sectors to support almost 7 times more transactions per second. With the new series of optimizations, the researchers increased the volume of data that can be processed by the blockchain Hyperledger fabric from 3,000 to 20,000 transactions per second. The researchers have also outlined several directions for future work, which together with the optimization they propose, have the potential to accelerate Hyperledger fabric to 50,000 transactions per second. Jeffrey Sprecher, CEO of Intercontinental Exchange, said during the company's quarter-one earnings call that the ongoing bear market has been helpful for Bakkt, which was initially scheduled to launch last December, then delayed to January, then again indefinitely. It's really been helpful that the cryptocurrency went into what they call a winter. It took some of the heat of the timetable to launch. Sprecher said, adding that this was just one benefit. Around 22% of investors have some exposure to digital assets, while 40% say they are open to taking the plunge in the next 5 years. Of those that have exposure, most investments were made in the last 3 years, aimed to gain an understanding of how institutions, financial advisors, and investors perceive digital assets generally. And as part of an investment portfolio, the survey also found that over half prefer to invest in digital assets directly, while 72% favor investment products that hold digital assets. KPMG LLP announced that it's joining the Trusted IoT Alliance organization to help catalyze the expansion of a blockchain-enabled and trusted Internet of Things. Blockchain's decentralized systems have the opportunity to improve IoT infrastructure, allowing companies to simplify business processes, improve customer experience, and achieve significant cost efficiency through the use of IoT. Microsoft announced its fully managed Azure blockchain. The new blockchain-as-a-service platform will purportedly allow users to build blockchain applications on pre-configured network. This service simplifies the formation, management, and governance of consortium blockchain networks. Shaw further noted that Azure Blockchain Service can create a new consortium network in a few simple clicks or let the user perform basic operation like adding new members to the network. A survey of 2,000 Germans has revealed that 27% of young adults believe that Bitcoin will more than double in value in 2 years. 2,054 German adults to gauge their attitudes toward Bitcoin. The results reveal that 50% of Germans believe Bitcoin will more than double in value to 10,000 plus euro, while 25% believe it will at least halve in value.
This is Ryan Rabaglia from OSL, Asia's leading digital asset brokerage. Let's get right into it this morning. The talk of the town, USDT, of course, $850 million worth of Tether potentially unaccounted for. How has that spun out into the market? USDT itself previously trading at a 2% premium above par. had a 4.5% dip or discount to par, which is where it was trading, and currently a 1% discount to par. So historically, USDT always under pressure. Under these sell-offs, we've seen a lot of supporters come out, and that's exactly where we are now with a nice little bounce. How has it affected the broader market? All major cryptocurrencies down significantly over that time frame. BTC, 10% dip, down to that 5K mark, which we did call for last week as a support level. Current 51.50 spot trade. If we don't see a break up north above 52.50, we're possibly going to see even break even lower below that 5K support level. So once that happens, potential floodgates may be opening. On an OTC standpoint, once again, Cosmos ATOM has been a big play for the OSL desk. That Binance listing pushed it back above $4. A lot of two-way flow happening, as well as EOS, NEO, and Stellar have been big movers in this space. We're going to leave it here, and we'll speak to you next.